Hello, what's up guys? My name is Budhi and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we talk about personal finance. Today, we'll talk about online platforms available in Canada to invest, like Wealthsimple Trade, Questrade, banks, like TD Web Broker. There are many online brokers available, but I'll talk about only which I have personally used or I'm currently using. I've used Wealthsimple Trade, Questrade, TD Web Broker. So I'll talk about only these three. Almost all major banks has their web brokers, so you can check these out. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. If you have already subscribed it, thank you. I hope you've watched my previous video about TFSA, tax-free savings account. If you haven't watched it, please click on the left-hand side icon on the top and then you can watch it. I recommend you to watch that video before because it helps you understand the importance of TFSA so that you can choose which account to open online, either TFSA, personal or RRSP. First, we'll talk about Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade was launched back in early 2019, but the company was founded in 2014. Wealthsimple Trade is commission free for Canadian stocks. However, there is a conversion fee involved if you have to purchase US stocks, which is around 1.5%. There's no minimum balance you have to maintain to buy stocks. Wealthsimple Trade is best for the beginners. If you're planning to only buy Canadian stocks, I recommend to use the Wealthsimple Trade. It's very easy to open an account with the Wealthsimple Trade. There's no minimum balance you need to maintain. They only have Android and iOS mobile app properly functioning as of now. The desktop or web version is in beta phase. They launched recently, so you can only use mobile app as of now to buy or sell stocks, or to buy even cryptocurrency. They recently introduced cryptocurrency in their platform. You can only buy Ethereum and Bitcoin as of now. You can open personal account, TFSA, RRSP. You cannot hold US dollars in Wealthsimple Trade. It converts Canadian to USD and then purchase it. So you lose some money with the conversion. Next, we'll talk about Questrade. Questrade is an old company founded back in 1999. Questrade is an online brokerage which also offers individual or taxable accounts like TFSA, RSP, and so on. You can buy and sell stocks as low as $4.95 and max $9.95 per trade, which means if you buy stock, you have to at least pay $4.95. And when you're selling a stock, you have to pay same $4.95. However, if you purchase ETFs, they are free, so no commission on that. Minimum deposit on Questrade is $1,000. One benefit of Questrade is you can keep US dollars in Questrade account. But if you purchase a US stock, the commission fees will be charged in US dollars. Questrade has both iOS and Android apps, plus the full-fledged desktop or web version. Questrade has a feature called Market Research or Intraday Trader, which I personally used a lot, where you can see stocks which are most active on that particular day, net gain stocks or net loser stocks. You can see both for Canadian and US stocks. Questrade has no annual fees. However, there's quarterly inactive fees. If you're active in Questrade, then you never have to pay this fees, but if you're not, then you have to pay some fees, which is around $24. I'll leave the link in the description below for more details about the inactivity fees. In Questrade, you can start a practice account. Practice account is like a demo account where you can buy and sell stocks without actually putting money in. I would recommend this for beginners. If you have never traded before, give it a shot. You can play around with it, buy some stocks, sell some stocks, and then you can see the charts and then look at the different criteria of a particular stock. I will also make a video about how to set up an account with Questrade and how to buy stocks and sell stocks. TD Web Broker is an online platform developed by TD. I've used it in the past, but I don't use it anymore. TD charges $9.99 flat fees for Canadian and US stocks. Almost all major banks have their investing platform like RBC, CIBC. You can just call your bank or you can just Google it. So let's discuss the difference between Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade. First is minimum starting balance to invest. The Wealthsimple Trade has $0, whereas Questrade has $1,000. So you need to deposit $1,000 to any of your Questrade account like TFSA or personal account, and then you can start buying stocks. Platforms. Wealthsimple Trade has iOS and Android apps. Their website is in beta version. They launched in late in 2020 only for some users, whereas Questrade has full-fledged iOS, Android, and a website. You can do trading in your phone or in your computer. Trade commission fees. Wealthsimple Trade is totally free. So $0 commission, especially for Canadian stocks. However, for US stock, there is a conversion rate which is 1.5%. For beginners, I highly recommend to use Wealthsimple Trade because it's totally free to use and you pay $0 to buy or sell any stocks. So you can buy a $1 stock and pay nothing. But whereas in Questrade, you pay $4.95 to $9.95 foreign currency conversion fee. In Wealthsimple Trade, there is a conversion fee of 1.5% when you buy US stocks because Canadian dollar converts to US dollars and then it buys the stock. For Questrade, they also charge conversion rate, but it's not mentioned in their website, so it's hard to find that. Account types. In Wealthsimple Trade, you can open TFSA, cash, RRSP, RESP, SRRSP accounts, whereas Questrade has more option, but for beginners, it doesn't really matter. All basic accounts are supported by both the platform. Inactivity fees. Wealthsimple Trade has $0 of inactivity fees, which means there is no minimum balance you have to maintain, or if you are not doing anything with your account, you don't pay any penalty. Whereas with Questrade, there is an inactivity fees of $24.95 per quarter. So it's quarterly, not monthly. If your balance is less than $1,000 or deposits are less than $150 per quarter, so only then you will pay this inactivity fees. Technically, if you're using Questrade and your balance is $1,000, you will not pay anything. It's very rare that you will pay this inactivity fees. Can hold US dollars. In Wealthsimple Trade, you can't hold US dollars, whereas in Questrade, you can see your portfolio in Canadian dollars and US dollars. So if you have any cash in your Questrade account, you know how much it's worth in Canadian dollar and US dollars. So if you have to buy a US stock, then you know that how much it will cost you. Whereas in Wealthsimple, you really don't know how much Canadian cash will be converted to US dollar depending on the conversion rate and 1.5% is fees. So it's a little bit of tricky there. Cryptocurrency. Wealthsimple Trade recently introduced cryptocurrency in their platform. You can buy and sell crypto. As of now, it only supports Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm personally buying cryptocurrency. As you can see, Bitcoin is going crazy lately. It's around $43,000 as of today. Wealthsimple Trade charges less fees as compared to other platforms like Coinbase, where I hold a good amount of crypto as well, whereas Questrade doesn't support cryptocurrency as of now. Delay in data. There is 15-minute delay in data in Wealthsimple Trade, which means the stock price which you see in app is 15 minutes delayed and is not up to date. A stock which is worth $5 as of now, but in 10 minutes it changes to $6, then you will still see the price as $5 because you're seeing 15-minute delayed data. Whereas Questrade, it's up to date, there's no delay. Supported exchanges. Wealthsimple Trade supports less exchanges than Questrade. For example, I wanted to buy the very good food stock, ticker symbol very.cn, which is listed in Canadian National Stock Exchange. This stock is only available in Questrade, not in Wealthsimple Trade. So you might want it to have accounts with both platforms. I would also recommend to hold some cash in your account so that when you see some stock and you need to buy in that price range, then you can buy it. Otherwise, transfer takes 1 to 3 business days. In Wealthsimple Trade, you can connect your bank account and you can just click add funds and it will initiate the process of transferring money to your Wealthsimple Trade account. Whereas in Questrade, you need to add Questrade as a payee in your online bank account and transfer like how you pay as a bill from your bank account. I'll leave the link below in description below for source of this information and for further reading which platform is better. As I explained, it all depends on person to person. Which online platform would you like to use to invest? If you're a beginner, I would recommend you to start with Wealthsimple Trade and start investing commission free. I'll leave my referral link in the description. Once you register, we both will get $10 each. So it's like a win-win situation for both of us. You will not lose anything on that. I'll explain in the next video how to open a Wealthsimple Trade account and how to buy and sell stocks. I asked my friend which platform you use to buy stocks. He said he used his bank platform. I'm like, what? Why don't you use Wealthsimple Trade, which is $0 commission, or Questrade, which is even $4.95? Then he said it's a big bank and he trusts his bank. So it's up to you which platform you would like to use. I personally use both Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade as some stocks are not available in Wealthsimple Trade. If you would like to open a Questrade account, I'll leave my referral link in the description below. You'll get welcome bonus and I'll get some money too. I'll explain in the next video how to open a Questrade account and how to buy stocks. If you would like to open with your bank, just Google it and then you can find the next steps to open the account. I would recommend opening a TFSA account if you are a beginner and only planning to buy Canadian stocks. Max out your TFSA account first and then buy in an individual account. So that's it for today, guys. Please write in the comment below which online brokerage you will open an account with or which one you are currently using. I try to post video every week on Sunday evening, so stay tuned. If you think you learned something new, please share this video with your family, friends and neighbors. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Stay safe, take care, see you soon, bye.